Hey everyone, this is Imran from Secure Your Benefits, and today's update is something every American senior, retiree, or Social Security recipient needs to hear because what's happening right now with Social Security payments and your bank deposits this October could decide how smoothly your money reaches you for the rest of the year. Millions of people are starting to notice delays, pending payments, and strange new messages when checking their bank accounts, and it's not just a glitch or a one-time issue. Behind the scenes, major changes in how banks handle federal transfers are quietly rolling out, and they could impact exactly when and how your Social Security benefits hit your account. For years, people have relied on the same routine. Your check is processed by the Social Security Administration, sent through the Treasury Department, and then directly deposited into your account. But starting this fall, banks across the U.S. have begun upgrading their digital payment systems to comply with new federal anti-fraud and real-time transfer standards. That sounds like a good thing, right? But the transition hasn't been smooth. Some smaller banks and credit unions have reported temporary slowdowns, verification delays, and even rejected deposits when Social Security funds arrive earlier than expected. Now, here's what's catching people off guard. Social Security payments are sent out in waves based on your birth date. But if your bank's processing time changes even slightly, you might see your money a full day or two later than usual. For seniors on fixed incomes, that's not just inconvenient, it can cause overdrafts, missed bill payments, and unnecessary stress. The government isn't technically late, but the way your bank handles those funds is changing faster than many realize. According to recent reports from the Treasury and multiple banking associations, October is a key month for implementing a system known as FedNow, a faster, more secure payment network that's supposed to make federal deposits instant and more reliable. But during the transition period, banks that haven't fully integrated the system are processing things differently. In some cases, they're holding federal transfers for additional verification, especially if they detect unusual patterns, duplicate accounts, or mismatched names. For example, if you recently switched banks, changed addresses, or updated your direct deposit through My Social Security online, your next payment could temporarily route through extra checks. What's even more confusing is that some recipients are receiving notification emails or text alerts from their banks about federal verification or pending benefit transactions. Many people panic, thinking it's a scam, and sometimes it is. Scammers are taking advantage of this confusion by sending fake alerts that look like official messages. If you ever get one of these texts or emails asking you to verify your benefit deposit, don't click any links. Instead, log into your actual bank account or call your bank directly using the number on the back of your debit card. Let's be clear, Social Security is not cutting payments, freezing deposits, or changing your benefit dates. The issue lies in how banks are adopting new anti-fraud standards and faster payment technology. Larger institutions like Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo are already aligned with the Treasury's upgraded system, so most of their customers will see their deposits on time. But regional and local banks may still face delays. Now, this might sound like a lot of technical talk, but the bottom line is simple: check your bank status, not just your SA account. Make sure your direct deposit details are correct and up to date. If you've recently changed your account, don't wait until the next payment to confirm it's working. Go to ssa.gov/myaccount, log in, and verify that your routing and account numbers match exactly with what your bank has on file. Even a small error, one wrong digit, can cause your deposit to bounce back and delay your payment for weeks. October is also when the Social Security Administration begins testing its year-end systems to prepare for the upcoming 2026 cost of living adjustments and other benefit updates. That means there's more back-end traffic than usual in their payment network. So if you notice a short delay or a message that says pending deposit, don't panic right away. Give it 24 hours, check with your bank's processing schedule, and remember that not all banks post federal payments at the same time. Another growing trend we're seeing this fall is that more seniors are switching to direct express cards or treasury-backed digital payment options to avoid bank delays entirely. These cards are federally managed and don't rely on your bank's internal system, which can make them faster and more predictable for benefit payments. However, if you prefer traditional banking, just be aware of your institution's cutoff times and policies for federal deposits. They can vary widely. Here's something else to keep in mind: if your Social Security payment falls on a weekend or a federal holiday in October, your deposit will be processed the previous business day. But if your bank is running overnight checks or fraud scans, you may still see a pending message until the next morning. It's frustrating, but it's part of the system modernization effort that's supposed to reduce identity theft and account fraud, both of which have hit record highs this year. So what should you do right now? First, log into your bank's online account and check their payment calendar for federal deposits. Second, visit ssa.gov/myaccount and confirm your direct deposit info is correct. Third, stay alert for scam calls or texts that ask you to verify or update your benefit information. The SA will never contact you that way. And finally, if you experience a consistent delay for more than 2 payment cycles, report it directly to your local SA office or call the SA helpline. Sometimes, they can flag your account for faster review. At the end of the day, these changes are meant to protect you, not harm you. But during this transition period, staying informed and proactive is the key. Whether your benefits go into a bank account, a credit union, or a direct express card, make sure you're in control of your payment settings, not just waiting and hoping your deposit arrives on time. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to secure your benefits, and turn on all notifications so you never miss an update that could affect your money. We post the most accurate and timely Social Security news to help you protect what you've earned. And remember, understanding your benefits today means securing your peace of mind tomorrow.
Hi everyone, this information is for educational purposes only and based on official updates from the Social Security Administrations. The major US banking institution, it is not financial or legal advice. Always verify details through official SSA and bank sources. The situation described reflects the trend expected in October 2025, and some timing details may vary based on your state bank or payment method. Stay continuous, stay informed, and never share your social security or bank details with unverified sources. I am Imran from Secure Your Benefits. If this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon. Take care.